Today I will unbox, assemble and show the performance of 18 inches Hurricane Wall mount fan. Here is the front and rear guard grill. Plastic fan blade. The motor with wall hanging bracket, two pull strings and speed control knobs. Then we have wall mounting bracket, two anchors and two screws. Instruction sheet. So I will start with the wall mount bracket. Make sure this arrow sign is pointing upwards. I have found the wall stud, so I will only insert one anchor. Now I will put the fan on the wall bracket. I will open this plastic screw and put the rear guard grill. I will keep this sign facing downward. Then fully tighten the screw. Now I will put the fan blade. Make sure that the nail goes inside this cut mark on the fan blade. Now tighten the screw counterclockwise. Before mounting the front grille, I will open the clips on the rear grille and then I will mount the front grille and tighten the clips. You can adjust the fan face at the required position by moving it up or down. I will start the fan with low speed. I will change it to medium by pulling the cord. Now I will change it to high speed. Left cord is for swing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.